My name is Jeremy Inglett, and I'm a co-director of Food Gaze Media Incorporated. My partner and I, Adrian Harris, we co-founded Food Gaze Media Incorporated back in 2016. So the Food Gaze way is injecting lots of color, a lot of vibrance, and a lot of deliciousness. So I fell into my career back in 2012 and it was just a hobby. We started just going out to restaurants, eating food, and blogging about it. Most thing that I love about it is how different it is every day. Every day is a new day and there's always something for me to learn. So just last year in September, we had our book published by HarperCollins Canada, as well as Gibbs Smith in the United States, and our book is called Cooking in Color. It's very easy to follow, very colorful, and most of all, edible. So the reason why I went back to school and get my baking diploma was because I was actually working at Starbucks and I felt a little bit bored. And my partner Adrian was actually always telling me to do something about it. I chose VCC for my baking diploma because I did my research and VCC was number one. My biggest takeaway from the diploma program was when I went to the BC Skills competition. I actually placed silver in all of BC. I feel like the Changemaker Award and what that means to me is creating your own avenue. Where I am today, I never thought I'd be, and it's just a matter of sticking to your passions and following your heart.